Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my frigitator. This is where my humans keep all the taters and tings. So many smeals. Like chitin weens, milk, moldy leftovers. I think I detect some sausage somewhere. Maybe even some eggs? Like and subscribe for more food vlogs. Follow for more cat recipes. I like to come in here when it's too hot and I need to cool down. As a cat with a thick fur coat, we need places like these to bring our core temperature down. It's nice and zen, like a reverse hot tub, but not quite a cold plunge. I love this ting. It even spits out ice somewhere. Did I tell you to like and subscribe? Do that, will ya? Like and subscribe, please.